Why do you hide inside these walls? Don't be shy. These are strange circumstances that have brought us together. Admit it, you wanted to let me in. I could hear you breathing.
I'm gonna get inside! I'm going to find a way inside. I don't want to play hide and seek.
I may be missing my face, but even I could see his tongue. What is this new prison? Is it me trapped, or is it you? Perhaps it is us both. You blinked. Might as well face the facts. You were always destined to fail. Time to face the consequences of your failure.